Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 1 minute chemistry series. We will see quickly how we can name the terpenes. The naming is different in terpene, won't follow normal chemistry. So quickly let us see. Stay tuned. Normally terpenes are named based on isoprene units. The isoprene units can be defined by number or carbon atom. Each isoprene units have 5 carbon atom. The isoprene unit is given as the blue color ring. You have to know head and tail. Head means substituted carbon, tail means the tail carbon. So it is a isoprene skeleton. If it is one isoprene unit, it is a hemiterpene. 2 mean mono, 3 means sesqui, 4 mean di, 5 means ses, 6 mean tri, 8 mean tetra. More than 100 it is poly. Normally 2 numbers create the di, tri and tetra. You see 2, 4, 6, 8. Here I given the example with 3 isoprene unit. The fourth one, which is the red one, is not isoprene. It is prevented by double bond there. So it can have 3 isoprene unit. So its name is sesquiterpene. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.